Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a hair video today, which I have never done before on my channel, but you guys have been requesting a lot about how I style my hair, and I figured I would just like get it all out in one video. So I am going to be talking about like what products I use. I'm going to style my hair on camera for you guys, and I'm also going to show you guys how I cut my own hair. I don't get haircuts too often, and when I do, they are just like really basic haircuts, like a trim, like just straight across a trim. Most recently I did get bangs, long bangs. My front bangs are growing quite fast because my hair just grows fast in general, and then since I really only get trims, I can easily just trim my hair myself as well. I just went and got my hair like kind of wet again, just because I want to make sure that it's super wet for when I cut it so that it can be cut as straight as possible. I just kind of go for it, honestly. I usually do it over the sink, but since I'm not in my bathroom today, I'm just going to do it into a bag. And it's really simple. I just make sure my hair is like really knot free, and I just kind of go for it. Since also my hair is really thin, I can really easily cut it like all at once. And I just kind of like cut it straight across, just kind of like this. And then I just use like regular scissors. These are hair cutting scissors, but I got them from Ulta. They're not like anything special. And really sorry if you do hair for a living. You honestly might as well just click out of the video. And I just feel like my hair is so long that even if I messed it up a little bit, like, it doesn't really matter. And yeah, that's kind of it. So that is one side done. To get them even, I do kind of like bring the two ends together and just kind of chop it like that. I feel like that was about the length that I cut the other side on. I am just so like, ooh, I'm like scary with this. I'm like more nervous because I'm filming it. Like my hand is shaking. I feel like I messed that side up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. That looks good to me. With my bangs, I'm just going to, I feel like this is awkward. I feel like I need to be closer to the mirror, but I'm just going to cut them, and I do cut them at like a little bit of an angle. Also with my bangs is I actually end up cutting them like kind of often. Like if I am like styling my hair and there's like a piece of like long hair that just keeps coming in, like this longer piece right here, you can kind of see it more, like this longer piece, I'm just gonna cut it all together because it will just make styling my hair a little bit easier later on. They're like kind of similar. It is what it is. Okay, so as far as products that I use to style, I use the Moroccan oil, and it's literally just called Moroccan oil treatment. I just use one pump of it. I get it through my hands and I just run it through. I basically do the ends with it, like I run it through my ends, and then I will take like whatever is left and like literally like run my hands over top of my head so that I can smooth down any like baby hairs or anything. So how I style my hair is I do blow dry my hair. I use the GHD Air hair dryer. I purchased this one at Ulta. My mom uses this one. GHD, in my opinion, has the best hair appliances like of all time. I got my GHD hair straightener in 8th grade or 7th grade. I am going to be 23 in a couple of weeks, and I just replaced that GHD hair straightener like a few months ago. I had my GHD straightener for like a decade and my mom uses it now. Like, it still works. So yeah, GHD hair appliances are expensive, but they are the best. Since I've been like talking so much, my hair is partially dry, but I am still going to go in with my hair dryer because I still style it the same way, like when I'm blow drying my hair. For blow dry spray, I'm a really huge fan of the Kendra Platinum blow dry spray. This is probably the best blow dry spray that you can get on the market. It is just so light and it smells really good. It really does cut your blow dry time like in half, and it makes everything so smooth. There was one day that I skipped out on this because I did not have time to like go in my mom's room and grab it. Like, I had to just like blow dry my hair just then, and I could tell the difference. My hair was not as soft and smooth and nice as it was when I used this product. Lately, I have been trying the Pep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar, but I am just going to use the Kenra spray just because this is like what I use and I know that I love this product. I have been liking the Drybar one, but this is just like a staple. Spray like the top of my hair, my bangs, try not to get them on my face, do like a spritz in the back of my hair. And then what I do is I blow dry my hair in sections. This is a crucial step in my opinion. I used to be one of those people who like could not for the life of them dry hair. Like, I could not use a hair dryer and it not look disgusting. Now I blow dry my hair and I don't even use a straightener half the time. I mainly will just use my hair dryer. I also do use a round brush. This is the Formwella I think it was called, Formwell. I don't remember, but I bought it because it was on sale and it was like the collab that this brand did with Kendall Jenner. I blow dry my hair the way that I blow dry my hair, and that's that on that. So I am just going to blow dry my hair. I'm going to do it kind of sped up so that you guys can see, but obviously I can't talk while I'm blow drying my hair. I will break my blow dry session into 3 parts. So I do the underneath, I do the middle, and then I do the top. And then as my last step, so that like the back of my head, I know it looks nice, is I grab like some hair at the crown and I smooth it out with my brush, and then I like switch hands. I lay it like that, and then I take my hair dryer. I don't have the talent yet to like do this successfully all the way down, but I kind of get it, like you'll see. Okay, well I did that pretty well. Honestly, a few months ago, like I would not have been able to blow dry my hair to be this smooth, but sectioning my hair really helped. The Kenra blow dry spray really helped, and also making sure that I have a good hair dryer really helps. Another thing that helped is I listened to a podcast with Allie Webb, and Allie Webb is the owner of Drybar. She said that if your at home blow drying session isn't lasting 30 to 40 minutes, then it is a waste of time. I personally do not take that long on my hair, maybe 15 or 20 minutes I'm blow drying my hair, but my hair is also very thin, so it doesn't take that long to blow dry. But that kind of made me more mindful of like how much time and how careful I'm being when I'm blow drying my hair. So now when I am blow drying my hair, I really take my time, I go slow, I don't know. It just was really helpful information for me. I think my hair from the back looks okay. Ooh, I'm seeing this like little itty bitty piece of hair that is just like, look, I totally missed this little bit. So another way that I like to style my hair is I like to use my hair straightener to curl my hair. And this is something that I recently taught myself. I purposely bought this GHD hair straightener to curl my hair also because Sammy Robinson on YouTube, that Australian model who's like freaking perfect, she styles her hair like that, and I just love her hair so much, so I went out and bought that hair dryer too. So yeah, this is the GHD Platinum Plus, and this one was also a pricey number, but I used my Ulta points on it, so I basically got it for free. That's what happens when you save your points, ladies. So I also don't do this in like any particular order. I do section my hair just because it's easier, and I do take kind of flat, thin sections. I'll straighten like the base of the hair and then just like pull down. I don't like clamp too hard, but then I get like a cute little curl. I feel like I'm personally still kind of perfecting this method of hair curling. Ooh, these are coming out really, really good though. It took me so long to figure out how to do this. I honestly had my hair straightener for like a little while until I finally was able to get it. I will leave a couple of videos down below that really helped me, but I don't know, my greatest advice to you is just practice, like practice. It's the only way. And sometimes my curls don't come out super great, and I'll just have to go over it and like just redo it. It's not a big deal to me. And I do also section my hair off in 3 sections when I do my curling too. There's also a couple of actual hair curlers that I like. I really like Hot Tools for hair curlers. Personally, I would not spend a crazy amount of money on a hair curler, but I do find that like a hair straightener is absolutely an investment. I'm going to be smarter about this one and keep my curl hair pieces in the back. So I do my bangs a little separate. Sometimes I do include it in the piece, but since I just cut it, my bangs are like a little bit shorter now. So how I do my bangs is I pull down instead of away so that it doesn't flip out too much, but I think it's still like cute, you know? So yeah. Sometimes I wish that the hair straightening method came up a little bit more at the top. So I'll kind of grab random chunks at the top, like from the top section of my hair, I'll just grab like random chunks and I'll kind of, I don't know, because I wish it like the curly bits like kind of started a little bit higher up, but I'm not like there yet. Like I don't know how to quite get it there yet. So yeah, I'll kind of show you how I would do it if I had like other bits of hair in my bangs and I still just pull down. Then I will just kind of run through the hair with my fingers and oh, everything feels so soft and smooth. That trim was a bit necessary. One other thing that I want to mention is I do tweeze and wax my hairline. I just have like the most insane baby hairs and I really don't like them. I am not the kind of person that's going to like sit there and style their baby hairs. I don't like that. I actually take the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel and I comb back my baby hairs like this. super easy. I like the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel because it is strong enough where it's going to have a hold, but it's not too strong where it's going to make my hair up in the front feel very crusty. And then I will literally just like tweeze out baby hairs that are out. And if I am like lazy and I let them go for a little long time, I will bring out the waxer and literally like wax the baby hairs out, which is really efficient, but I don't usually like to wait that long. So yeah, that is how I style my hair. I will talk about the shampoos and stuff that I use. So for conditioner, I like to use the Redken All Soft Conditioner. And then I also really like the Redken Frizz Dismiss shampoo. And I like the Redken High Rise. So what I'll do is I will always use the All Soft conditioner. I actually condition my hair first and then I shampoo, but I will alternate between the two. So I really only wash my hair like 2 times a week or 3 times a week. If I'm feeling crazy, I will wash my hair, you know, I guess whenever necessary, but I will alternate between the two because if I use the Frizz Dismiss too often, my hair will end up being really, really flat. And then since my hair is so thin to begin with, I do need that extra like volume going on, so I will use the Redken High Rise Volume for that. Oh, and then one other thing, my all-time favorite dry shampoo of all time, like literally the best, I will always love this forever and always, is the Living Proof dry shampoo. This one is by far the best on the market. For the longest time when I was a Batiste user, I was like, wow, dry shampoo is kind of gross, but like I guess I'll deal with it because like Batiste is the best, right? Like we all think like Batiste when we think dry shampoo, but no, like Batiste is garbage when you start realizing that there's like other really good dry shampoos out there. I also really like the dry shampoo from IGK, and then I also really like the Dry Bar dry shampoo, but that one smells so bad. It smells so bad. I hate that smell. They did release a detox clear version of their dry shampoo, and that one smells quite nice. I did get that one, but I still think that the Living Proof dry shampoo is just the bee's knees as far as dry shampoo goes. So yeah, that is it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I didn't give too many hairstylists and hairdressers a freaking heart attack. This is what works for me. I think my hair looks fine. I think it looks healthy. I think the styling of it is fine. I've never had issues or anything, so it is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully I see you next time.